Hello, in this section we are going to continue making videos about Solidworks and CATIA so that you compare which software is better for you. So let's start. We made a new file. This we click in accept. The piece we're going to make is something basic. So the beginning, first we're going to make this section, and after that this extrude, and this we click in this in sketch. We made the axle, this option, construction line, escape again, middle point, line, construction line, and line, this, and to make an arc, we do the line like this and return in this point, and we have an arc. Select this point and this line. We make a coincidence, and we select a mirror, select this and this respect to this line. We accept, and we made measures. We give, and select this 10 here to this point, to this point, gives 2, and here to here we give 40, and this we give 15. We draw a circle with measure 20. We close the profile to this, select extrude, invert direction 10. We accept, and select this face, sketch, press Ctrl +8, select rectangle in this corner to this, and we give measure. We give 10. We accept, and now we are going to make this profile. We're going to make this stroke, and so select this face, sketch, press Ctrl +8, select circle to center here, to center here. We may measure to define where the sketch option, extrude, and 10. Reset, and now we may we're going to make this profile. Select this sketch, press Ctrl plus A, and select this slot, and select this point and this vertical, select this line and this line, collinear. We give measures 56 and the radius is 18. We draw 2 circles like this. Select Dex with press Ctrl equal. We give measure 16. We stuck the material and we give 10. And basically this will be our piece. This piece we're going to make in CATIA that you compare, and I hope that you like this video, and thank you for watching. See you.